Sergeant Scott and myself. Get there. Take us around to the number 2 position, will you?
Speaking of the number 2 position,
the breath of movie will take.
Number 2 unit. That'll be your 20 minutes. Work here. Lieutenant Morris, you'll be in charge of the 3rd group working.
this is Crow. Beeper's down there on the floor. And this is Gypsy. Hey, how are you, huh? Oh, you got a little drool on it. Let me get that. There you go. Yeah, that's good. Okay, good boy. Here's a biscuit. Here you go. All right, good boy. You know, both these robots are of my own design. There are 25 other robots working about doing various complicated operations around the ship. You know, Crow, I think most of them are outside right now putting on the new storm windows. All right, so I programmed them to laugh at my jokes. I mean, if you spend as much time out in space as I have, it can turn you into kind of a freak. Hey, Crow.
Yes, Joe, that's it.
I found the secret of life the other day, but it kind of bummed me out.
You found the secret of life? Why should it bum you out?
It was on 8-track. Yeah, you can see how even I get kind of bored with this after a while. Hey, fellas, better cheese it. The film's calling. Well, I'll see you on the other side. You can go through, I'll go.
The David after Courtney Love.
Another way out of this corridor? No, sir, it's a dead end. Only ventilation shafts down there.
People of Earth, let me show you around the satellite a little bit. These are the vacuum flowers. They're very important because they're the only other living thing on this satellite besides me. Oh, there's something. This one doesn't look too well. Oh, you are sick, aren't you? Gypsy? Could you come in here and bring my doctor stuff?
What?
Oh, well, she's not broken. It's just sick. Let me get this stuff out of the doctor bag. Oh, Gypsy. It's okay. Take it easy. Take it easy. Just settle down. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Take it easy. That's good. That's good now. Here, listen. Come here. Put your head back. That's right. Take it easy. Bro?
Right here.
Hey, there's some weird space phone that's infected Gypsy. Bring the baby in here. Bring some towels.
No more, he said. It's toasted.
All right. I'm sorry, take it easy. Hey, the movie's coming, Gypsy. We gotta roll. Can you run on it? Okay.
You can already smell the mother.
Hello, people of Earth. As you have been witnessing, if you've seen this transmission, an alien form of virus has infected my ship. I'm in the process of inspecting one of the infected robots now.
How's he doing, Joel Hudson?
Well, Crow, it's kind of hard to tell with this funny snake thermometer I've been using.
Joel, maybe this is a bad time to bring this up, but wouldn't that make it a rectal thermometer?
Hey, Crow, you gotta help me. Grab his feet. I'll grab his tentacles. We gotta get him out of here.
Oh, it's Beaver. He's got the mange.
Man, we gotta get his helmet off. Hey, give me a napkin or a towel or something. It's okay, honey. It's alright. It's okay. We got you all cleaned up here. Just relax. It's alright. Calm. Crow, we gotta find out what this stuff is.
Well, you can be pretty sure it's not one of the 4 food groups. Yick.
Well, all we know so far is that it affects plant life and robots. And, we've got movie sign. Let's move, you guys.
Let's come out here.
You gonna be okay? I'll see you on the other side.
Let's see if there's a riff in this set. It's not. They're trying to make fun of their names.
Well, people of Earth, it looked like everything's turned out okay. The vacuum flowers are doing good. Gypsy took Beep on a walk on the spiral on down. Crow, what do you think that strange foam from outer space was?
Maybe it was an unknowable but important gesture in the grand scheme of things. You know, God blinked. Maybe the virus was a biological misfit and like the Andromeda strain became inert and eventually blew over the eastern seaboard.
No.
Joel?
Yeah, Crow.
Did you ever wonder that maybe this whole spaceship isn't really a spaceship at all, but a television set built for the amusement of the viewing audience, and that I'm not really a robot, but a puppet built to look like a robot, who in reality is being controlled by a puppeteer under this table? And you're not a scientist/inventor trapped in outer space, but a comedian playing a part on a television show that you wrote.
Crow, I got a question for you.
Yes?
Why is it that you never phone?
Because I thought I'd save it for the end of our transmission.
That's it.